What's up, guys? Hey, this week is tomorrow. I think tomorrow or Friday. I'm going to shoot new. Oh yeah, I want to get all notifications. Oh yes, I do want to get notifications. Hey, turn notifications on so you can get notifications. But I've got this giant mess of cords in the studio today because I set up this awesome rig to record some electric guitar videos for the 72-hour Memorize Your Guitar Fretboard course that I'm put together this week. But this is it right here. This is just, I don't know how I'm going to show this to you. I don't even know how I'm going to show this to you. How I'm going to show you the whole thing, how awesome it is. But it sounds good, and we're going to be talking about how to memorize the notes on the neck of the guitar this coming week. But look at this. So I will explain to you the magic, how it is going to happen tomorrow. This is my mixer. This is my amp. I'm not really sure I'm going to use the amp, okay? But I'm going to be recording, and I'm going to be also showing you all of my pedals in individual videos, I think, and I'm going to release those on YouTube. So I've got the trio. I'll come around here on this other side. I've got the trio, which makes drum beats. I've got the tuner pedal, the compression pedal, the cactus, the cacti, the RV6 digital reverb, the looper. All of these are really, I bought these on budgets. The Sonic Stomp, MXR reverb, which I love that pedal there, that pedal right there. And then this was, my friend gave me this pedal, Josh. I guess he owed me money or something. I don't know. I forgot about it, but he's like, oh, you owe me, so here you can just keep it. That was super nice. MXR, compressor. And then I'm going to be creating beats off that. So I'll be singing through this microphone right here, and I'll be recording through that tomorrow, and I'll be showing you all those pedals, and I will be showing you how you can memorize your entire fretboard by only memorizing 2 strings. So it's a new course I'm going to put out, but some of those videos are going to be on YouTube, and it is inspired by my friend Tom Scarella. Share the Fire. He keeps asking me about this, and showed me these things on YouTube about all this Memorize Your Fretboard stuff, fretboard mapping, all this stuff. It can be sort of mind-boggling, but I realized I only memorized 2 of the strings on the guitar, and then I can deduce all the other notes from those 2 strings. I'm going to show you how to do that in a course, so that's why I've set all this stuff up. So Tom, if you're watching, I set this stuff up so I can record that course you told me to record. Okay? And then I'm also going to be opening. I'm sure that I had a Headset Buddy video that everybody loved. It went huge on the channel. But then I got this audio TS. It's a TS Mini audio interface by Mellow Audio. So this actually, I'm going to be opening and reviewing this whole thing tomorrow. But this little thing, it's similar to, I think, the guitar rig, but it's made for plugging your stuff into your iPhone. I'm still sort of wondering what I could do with this. You know, I've got some other Mellow Audio stuff. I really like their stuff. Their stuff is really cool, but this is cool. So I have this. I'm going to open it on the YouTube channel this week. Okay, so I'm going to try to geek out on that, but I'm really not sure exactly what I'm going to think about this in terms of what I can do with it. I know it's going to be good quality, but what am I going to do with it? Am I going to be able to interface to my iPhone? What kind of solution could I use it for streaming live church stuff? What kind of solution could I use for just setting up different stuff? Like the video that I did that went really big on YouTube last month was this Headset Buddy, this little cable right here. And I use that when I'm going into my iPhone. Today I'll be going into my DSLR, but so I'm going to be recording, putting all my stuff into here, mixing into my headphones, and going straight into my Nikon for this session. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Then I'm going to do other stuff later. I'm going to flip this around. So that's basically, I don't know how to flip it around anymore. I don't know. I'll flip it around here. So basically, yeah, that's the gear, the setup. There's cables everywhere because I just threw it all in here. I'm not even using this, but this is part of my studio that I really love. We use this for our podcast. It's a Zoom H6, but I really want Zoom to send me one of their new boards, one of their new like 8-channel podcaster boards, I'm gonna email Zoom. Hey Zoom, if you're watching, randomly send me that. I will do that, because I'm using this right now, which I think is cool, but I want to go to the next level using the new Zoom digital mixer. That's what I want to do. So I think I can turn around. Okay. So, thanks for watching. Hey Brian Long, are you still watching, man? What are you doing? Are you playing guitar? Anyway, you still doing the yards and stuff out there in Springboro? You out there in Springboro, Brian? Anyway, this is my giant, look at this, my softbox. Look at this, like my floating head. That is my ceiling fan turned softbox. That's amazing. So it gives me some soft light. I just made a whole bunch of stuff. The other thing I just added to the studio this last week was this light. It was always on the ground. It was driving me crazy, so I put this ring light right here on this mount. So check this out. This is just a random video of a bunch of me stuff. So I've got this. Now I've got the ring light, and we use this basically, you can just pull this out. This telescopes, hold on, let me show you. This telescopes out, so you can telescope it out. Like a lot of times I just put it down like that and just use it to point light that way, and it bounces off. So that's one thing I added this week, and I'm going to add some more stuff later. Alright guys, make sure if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Cindy Ball, subscribe to the channel, Cindy. Welcome, Cindy. Welcome, Cindy, to the show. Good to see you. All right. So I'm gonna upload this to YouTube, and then I'm gonna start working on the electric guitar. Learn your fretboard, map your fretboard, memorize your fretboard in 72 hours for a very special person. Burn it up, man. Burn it up. It's hot right now, so don't go mowing any grass right now. Try to stay inside. All right, God bless you guys. See ya.